Okay, so here we are at our setting up products and categories video in our how to create a store training. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and log into your back office if you're not already. And what we're going to do is come down here to products and click on add new. Now I've set up I have a couple example products we're going to use. But really quick before I show you how this works. Let's scroll down here. And I want to show you the different kind of products that we can use. Simple product is a physical, it's just a basic product. You can make it virtual. Alright, and what that's going to do is if you click this, it's going to make it so you can make it a virtual product. So it's like an online training or something. Downloadable, you click on this, you put in your price, and you put the file in here that they can download. Okay, so if it's an ebook or a book of some sort or some sort of file, just put it right in here, put the price in there. Download unlimited, never expires, and call it good. Now if it's a physical product, what you're going to want to do here, see if it's downloadable, and virtual, sorry. Takes away one of these. Oh, you're shipping. See, if you click virtual, the shipping disappears on this side. But if it's not a virtual product and it's a physical product and not a downloadable product, just go ahead and put in your price. Go ahead and put in your SKU if you're tracking it. Stock management. Okay, if you want to do stock management, you could say this is how many's in stock so you can't run out. Be stuck with a problem on your hands. Not be able to ship out your products if you all of a sudden buy a lot of them. Everybody buys a bunch, which don't be surprised about. Single order, yeah, you can click that. Okay, so that's what you would do. You'd come in here to general, put in your price, set your inventory, go down here to your shipping. Now remember we set this in pounds, and you could just come in here and just put 1 pound. Shipping class, no shipping class. And I believe what that'll do is link it to our $10 shipping. The way we set it up. But I think what we're going to want to do is download that shipping and tax plugin, or install it. Okay, so after we're done here, go ahead and install that plugin. And come back here and play with this a little bit. And it's going to let you set in, I think it'll let you set different prices and stuff. Your own prices per products. And it's going to help you out there. Okay, so let's go to linked products, upsells. Okay. You can upsell products here, so when we create more products, you just click in here and put them there, and it'll upsell to them. Attributes. Okay, don't worry about that. I guess you can add an attribute up here. Yeah. Name, value, don't worry about that for right now. Advanced, purchase notes, menu order, don't worry about that. More options. Okay. So these are extensions that you can look at and add to this. All right, but that's generally how you set up a product. A simple product. Virtual, it'll just redirect them. Okay, put in your virtual and downloadable product. And it'll just redirect them. Virtual will probably be linked. So if you click this, you go down here to linked. Virtual. Yeah, you'd probably have to click downloadable too. Okay, so anyway, that's how you do that with simple products. And if you want to do an online one, just click virtual and downloadable, put in the price, and put in your file right here. If it's a simple product you want to ship, put in your price, set up your shipping, and I'm highly recommending getting that other plugin. Okay, so as you can see, you have different products. You can do a group product and do them by SKUs and your SKU number. And another one you can do is an external affiliate product. Alright. And what you'll do here is put, maybe if it's like eBay or Amazon or something, you can just put your link in here. And you can change your button text, set your price, whatever price they're displaying, set it in here. And that'll take care of your affiliate product. Then you have your variable product. I'm not sure what this is even. I don't even use this. So basically I use simple product and external affiliate products. Okay. And that's generally how this works. Okay, so let's say we're just going to do a simple product. Alright, let's go ahead and go up here, and I have these products on my desktop right here. So let's start with this one, the Acai Immune Defense. Let's just put in our name. Now what this is going to be is this is going to be your long description. So if they click and research this product more, there's going to be a long description. So this is where you'd put in all your nutrient facts and all that, nutrients and everything it does. And it's probably should fill up this whole page or whatever it is. This is your long description. All right, so do what you want to do here. If you look to the right here, it's going to say uncategorized. Go ahead and check that because we're going to change this category. Okay. Matter of fact, let's just do that now. Let's right click categories. Let's open this. And see where it says uncategorized? We're going to change that to superfood. Superfruit. Because acai berry is a superfruit. Okay, so we'll just change the name really quick, and you can come in here and set your thumbnail, your image icon, all sorts of different stuff here, and come and mess with this. I'm just going to click update. We're not going to take the time to go through all these because you guys are far enough along now that you can go through these and figure this out. Okay. And this is just your category, by the way. These are not your products. It's just your product categories. So now if we go to categories, it's going to say superfruit. Okay, so this will change and say superfruit once we click publish. So let's go down here, and this is your long description. And down here, it's going to be your simple product. And to the right here that we're going to be creating, so let's say it's $29.99. Or even $39. And you could put a sale price in here and set the schedule as well. Alright, so let's set our product image. Let's go over here to product image and click set product image. We're going to upload files and click assign variable. We're going to set product image, and there we have it. Now they're going to have a product image. Now if you keep scrolling down, what we have here is your short description. So just put something in here. Okay, something like that. Make them a little bigger if you'd like. Whatever you want to do there. Guess we could make it purple. Alright, that's going to be a short description. So when they take a quick look at this product, that's what they're going to see underneath it and underneath this picture right here. Alright, so if you keep scrolling down, product, default, we'll leave that there. Header, we don't need the header or the title bar. Right? Content, sidebars. We'll keep the footer. Okay, so let's go ahead, and everything looks good here. We've got our price, we've set our shipping up. We got our product image. Okay, and if you want, you put in a long description, and we also picked our category. So let's go ahead and click publish. Okay, so now our product has been published. Let's take a look, make sure everything looks okay. And there we have it. We have a nice product and a very nice looking store too. See how clean our store looks? Looks pretty good. So far so good. So far really good. Okay, so it's categorized, as you can see, as superfruit, and you can just add this to cart for $39.99. And as long as your PayPal or Stripe or bank account or whatever payment gateway you're using is set up, it will transfer the money into whatever account you want to transfer it to. And that is how you set up a product. Okay, so then go and click this and add it to cart. Okay. And if you go up here, you can go, see, it's been added to your cart. You can view your cart now. And that is how you sell, or how you set up a product. Pretty cool, huh? Looks pretty clean. It's a nice little system we got here. Okay, so that's nice too. Calculate shipping. Okay, so what we want to do here is we're going to add a couple more products. Okay, and that way I can show you how to display some categories. So let's look at what we got here. We have krill oil. Okay, that could be you know, for your mental health, I guess. Okay. Krill oil is actually really good for that, by the way. Memory and stress has good for omega. It's good for your skin too. Okay. So let's just. That's fine. We're not going to add images. Like I said, you can do this if you want. Spruce this up, but we're just going to click add new category. So now we have 2 categories. We have a cherry beetroot. Let's just put overall health. We'll just add this. We got a colon clear. Let's put in a detox. Okay, so now we have 4 categories. And we're going to put in a favorites. And we're going to add that. So we have a total of 5 categories. Alright. So let's go here to all products. And we should see our acai berry. But we have our 5 categories. Okay. And we have this acai berry. So if we wanted to go back in here and add this to a category, we just click on this. And go down here, and as you can see, all these different categories have shown up. So what I'm going to do is put this on the favorites too. And I'm going to do that for a reason, so I can show you guys how to display a category with multiple products. Okay, so this superfruit, this acai berry, is also one of our favorites. So you can add products to 2 different categories. So we'll update that. Okay. And that's it. So let's add another product. Now that we have our acai berry, and it's in our superfruit category and our favorites category, let's add another one. Let's add this krill oil. Okay, and again, we'll add this krill oil to our favorites. We're going to put them all on our favorites. And our memory, mental health, and stress. And we could put our long description. You could put a video in here, whatever you want to do here. But it's just a simple product, so we'll just name them all 20 or 39.90. I guess 29.99 or whatever. Okay, go down to the shipping. We're going to put 1 pound. And like I said, we're going to kind of blow through this shipping because we didn't install that plugin. So go ahead and install that plugin after this. And maybe watch this video and set up a product or 2 if you'd like. Or go through, what I do is go through the video. You know what, let's just add it real quick. What the heck. Let's see what it does so we can work with this here. And then we'll add the rest of our products real quick. So we're doing okay on time. So let's get this shipping and tax plugin. There it is. WooCommerce shipping and tax. Let's install it. And activate it. Okay, and let's see what happened here. Okay, WooCommerce, analytics, forms, products. Let's go into our settings and see if it changed anything. shipping. Let's edit this. Basic shipping. I'll bet we could just exit these, and then it'll just do all of them. So if you want to do basic shipping, and it'll probably restrict them to the outside ones. So let's add a shipping method. Flat rate. Add shipping method. Interesting. Let's go look at this, the product, and see if that did anything here. See if it added any options here in our shipping. Okay, tell you what, I don't see this plugin doing anything. So let me go ahead and take a look here. And what we're probably going to do here, I'm going to figure out this shipping thing, because it's changed a little bit since I last looked at this and did this. And we're going to probably make a whole different video on shipping. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and see here if this was even added. There it is. WooCommerce shipping and tax. Oh, okay. It's saying that hosted services for WooCommerce automated tax calculation, shipping label, printing, and smoother payment setup. Okay. Well, for whatever reason, and I'm going to have to figure this out, and I'm not going to take the time during this training video, I might have to deactivate these plugins and reactivate them. And that's really simple, by the way. Again, that's just a quick troubleshoot that you'll do. You'll just deactivate everything and see if anything pops up over here, and then reactivate them. Alright, and do your research when you come across something like that. But we're not going to take any more time on this. The WooCommerce shipping. See, auto updates enabled on the settings, general page. Alright, but we're not going to take any time on this now because for some reason... Oh, there it is. Enable tax rates and calculations. Maybe that did pop that up. Huh. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. Okay. So we need to put an at. See, look what this is saying. This is where your business is located. Tax rates and shipping rates will use this address. So we don't even have an address in here. So once we do, see, sell to all countries. Ship to all countries. Shell, shop-based addresses. Enable tax rates. Yeah, why not? It's physical product, so. I see. Okay. Yeah, we'll do a separate video on shipping. We'll get an address filled out and figure all that out. Okay, so anyway, let's finish adding our products. And let's go in here to our krill oil. Okay, so we've put our name in. We've checked our favorites on our mental health category. Now we're going to add our image. Okay. Set our price already. We have our image. We'll do a separate video on shipping because it changed a bit and we're going to have to work that out. Advanced. Yeah, we're good there. And just go ahead and put in your short description. Okay, everything looks good. Oh, except of course we want to disable the header, hide the title, go ahead and keep the footer, and go ahead now and hit publish. And then we have our cart, which looks beautiful. And it looks like it's calculating shipping automatically. So it's like, I'm wondering, you know, you just put in your address, and I'm probably overthinking this. So let me, because that's what it's saying. It would set up shipping and allow you to calculate it. Just put in your address here. Okay, let's not even, you can look up this shipping thing, and I guess I'll go over this as well, but I'm almost 100%. You put in your address here, and let's take a look at this product. And then when you add this product to your cart and they put in their address, it's going to calculate the cost. Yeah, see, so this looks really good. This came up nice, looks good. It's got our categories. It's got our related product, and it's already displaying our Cyberry, which is nice. And it allows people to share them and tweet them and stuff, email them. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's add this to the cart. And I do apologize, but that shipping thing, I think we're really overthinking it. So let's view the cart and see what this says here. Yeah. Yep. It's already calculating the shipping, see? So it's going to calculate it and update your total. Put in your coupon here. We're fine. Your shipping's set up well. Just go ahead and put in your address. And go over your settings and your shipping. Okay, and I'll still go over the shipping, and we might still do another video. But shipping's fine. Obviously, it's calculating it for you. And that's how that's going to work. Okay. So now we have 2 products. Let's add our 2 more products really quick. And then we'll go ahead and end this video. Edit product. Let's add a new product. And this one's going to be cherry beetroot. Sorry, I'm trying to get ahead of our loading time here, so it's freezing us up. Add a new product. Okay, good, maybe. Alright. Cherry beetroot. Okay, the cherry beetroot is obviously one of our favorites. and it's good for overall health. So that's our two categories. We'll charge our $29.99 for it. We'll set our product image. Okay. Set it. Don't worry about shipping, it's automatically calculating it. And come in here and put in our short description. For many This actually is a really good product. Okay. Okay, let's go down. And I think we're good to go here. Everything looks good. We got our price, image, short description, and we picked our categories. Obviously, we've named it too. Let's click publish. There we go. Let's always take a look at our product and make sure that everything's cool. Okay, there you go. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Now it's displaying these other two products too, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that one looks good, and let's add our last product, which is going to be our colon clear. Which is a detox and one of our favorites. And I guess we're having our $29.99 all around. Oh, I'm sorry. You could put in tags here as well. So these are tags are your keywords. So you just put in comma, put in a comma and a space, digestion, detox, etc. And just go ahead and add, and it's just going to add them there. Alright, so if somebody looks up digestion or detox in your search, it's going to pop up these products. My apologies. I'm glad I've remembered that though. Make sure to put in your product tags. Okay, so let's set our image, upload our files, colon clear. Let's set our product image. We got our price. Looks good. Gonna go, let's make it green. Okay, everything looks good. Let's click publish and make sure it looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and view our product. Take a look here. Make sure this turned out all right. And it looks good to me. Now, if you're making just an overall store, you might want to consider just disabling this in your general settings. And keep in mind, per page, you can put this back up. So if you just want this on the home page, you could go into your general settings up here, under Avada, options, and disable your title bar, your menu, and your title bar. And that'll all disappear, so this will just show up. Okay. But that looks good. Everything looks really nice here. Everything's showing up. It's a very clean store. For products, maybe we will go in really quick. No, you know what? I'm actually going to end this. Just if you go in here, because I might have to play with this, and I don't want to drag this out and get you focused on this. But if you go in here, just go click on your header and disable it, and you can click on your title bar and disable it. And this is going to go away, so when it pops up, it's just going to show your product instead of them having to scroll down. Alright, and then just go into your pages down here. And whatever page you want, just go to your home page. Guess we'll just show you. I may as well have done that really quick, huh? And just turn it on down here. Just put it in manually. So it'll say a display header, and you'll just put yes. And that'll override the setting. And it'll display it on just whatever page you want instead of all of them. So it'll just pop up this product instead of all this up here. Okay, so that's pretty much it then for this training. That's how you add products and set up categories. It's really, really simple. You just go to the side here under products and just click add products or click category and go in here and set up your categories. I recommend, it always prompts you to set up a product first. I'd recommend going in here and at least setting up a few different categories. See, as you can see, just a few to get you going, to make it smoother, and you can set them up as you go along. But as you can see here, we have one superfruit, one detox, 4 of our favorites, since they're all in our favorites, 1 mental health, and 1 overall health. Okay, so our categories are nice and clean and set up and organized. Make sure you organize this very well. And if you want to add a product, set up your categories. When you add your product, just click add new. And just go through the steps. And also, don't forget to keep in mind that you're not limited to physical products. You can come down here and under general, and you can do virtual and downloadable products, as well as affiliate products. Okay, so that's it for this training. Go ahead, and I don't know if you guys have any products or what it is you're doing, but you can find some. You can promote affiliate products from, Amazon and eBay and places that are out there, and you can find some. We should have a couple that you can promote. So you can look up some more products to promote. Actually, go ahead and look up drop shipping in a search engine, and that's companies that'll drop ship products from their warehouse, but they'll let you label it and put whatever prices and stuff and work that out. So you could spend some time looking for products if you want. I don't know if you're making them and selling them. You can get online and look up wholesale products for what you're doing and set up products. But I don't know what you're doing, but you can do digital and physical products with this WooCommerce store. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and get a couple products set up if you have some. If not, go ahead and look for some and get them set up. And if not, if you don't want to, just finish the training and you'll know how at least. Okay, so go ahead and work on your store. and head to the next video.